Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? In this video, we talk about the July price, my friend. What's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? And what's the opinion over there? So let's get started this brand video. Absolutely, everybody want to know this. To really there is a chance to they will make you a millionaire, my friend, in July. So I will tell you, my friend, and this video you need to watch this 2-minute video, and I hope you better understand. My brother, as you can see at this time, the last 12-month chart is on the screen, and absolutely the price is increasing, especially in last 1 month, my brother. But you can see here in the June they again fails down, minus 16.33%. the price is fails down, and definitely the price is decreasing because, my brother, in last month they will completely increase, so therefore this time they decrease. But definitely in July, my brother, absolutely, if you see, my friend, the thumbnail, so definitely I will tell you, my brother, so they will jump in now very highly. So I know, my brothers, to after this fails they completely moving upward now. Let's see, my brother, let's predicate this coin, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. 10,000 people subscribe our YouTube channel. Why you are not subscribing? Kindly subscribe, man. Alright, so this time you can see, my brother, if we check out the last 3 days chart, then we better understand, my brother, and then we completely predicate this coin. As you can see, my brother, especially in last 3 days, you can see this is the last 3 days chart, and absolutely the change occur will be positive now. 1.41% the price is increasing now. It's a very short fair jump, but definitely, my friend, if they're moving in this current speed, so they will just only hit 0.3 USD dollar. But sorry, my friend, and mid of July. But if they will moving, my friend, and I think they will take a 30% change occur. So I give you guarantee, my brother, so they will hit, my friend, 0.7 to 8 USD dollar. This is possible, my friend. I already predicate this coin, my brother, so therefore I tell you, my friend, completely now. So, my friend, as you can see, my friend, at the end of month every cryptocurrencies will move upward now. So therefore the Dogecoin, and also, my friend, at the end of this month will starting moving upward now, especially from June 27 to, you can see, my friend, they will June 29 they will completely go in the moon now. So therefore I want to tell you, holders, don't do any mistake and please hold it. Remember to hold it. If you hold, so exactly they will move upward now. And this is not a financial video. Remember to, I will just, my friend, give you advice now. So thank you so much, my brother. If we check out the last 3 months chart, then we better understand, my brothers, to really there is a chance so they will move upward in the next month or not. And July, my friend, especially from last, my friend, April to May, my friends, this coin is completely moving upward now. But after this, my friend, and June and half May, my friend, you can see here they completely fails down. So therefore I'm 100% sure to after this fails, like this jump, absolutely after a fails, after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they absolutely take a very huge jump now. So one thing I want to tell my friends to next July, my friend, is absolutely they will move upward now. Let's see which coin I will give you guarantee, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's see to what they do. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.